The building inspector thinks this building collapsed at least in part because of the weather. It likely now will have to be completely torn down.
There was a loud boom, and my wife says, "What was that noise?" She looked out the window. She said, "Oh no, the building across the street collapsed."
James Rogers called 911, worried people might be in danger. The second and third floors of this triple-decker crumbled, some falling onto the apartments next door, forcing people to run out.
It seemed like it fell right into that building. I didn't know if it had went through the wall or what, so the fire department was here pretty quick and they got them out. Glad they didn't come out when that thing fell.
Thankfully, nobody was hurt. The collapsed building was vacant and under renovation after a massive fire back in 2014. Crews removed what else was in danger of falling and stabilized what remains of the building. Inspectors think wind whipping through the open structure caused the building to topple.
A little bit of a gust of wind can lift up the frame because it was only temporarily braced.
Building inspectors also say the workers had the proper permits for this construction, but it will now likely have to come down.
It should come down, yeah. Yeah, it should come down. That thing is a hazard.
You can still see that large piece of debris still leaning up against that building. Those tenants are staying elsewhere for the time being. In Roxbury, Sean Jaibat, WCVB News Center 5.